How to save password in Netflix account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can see our password in Netflix account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now even if you are logged into your account, Netflix itself does not give you your password. Unfortunately, that's the case. Let me tell you right away from the start, you can't view your current password. It's just like you're saying you forgot your password, and how you can, because that account could be anybody else's. You have to prove that account is yours. However, the only alternative you have is if you want to find the password of your Netflix account that you're logged into. You can't find it, but you can reset it by tapping the three lines option and going to account option. Then from the account option, you will see all these sorts of information over here, where you have to simply go to the option called password change over here, right? So go to this change password option and verify it. Now tap on forgot password option if you forgot your password, and you can reset it. Now in some cases, if you're actually lucky, what happens is that you might have saved your Netflix account password on your browser. So if you saved it on your Google Chrome, then you can actually find the saved passwords inside your Google account, right? So you can just try to log out first, and then you can find all the saved passwords by simply coming to settings, going to password manager here, then simply searching for Netflix over here in this case. And if you happen to save the password for your Netflix account, you'll find all the passwords that you have saved over here. So this is the two ways that we can do it. One is luckily if you happen to save it, other is just by resetting it. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.